Hey there, let's talk about the exciting world of AI in video. Picture this, you have a brilliant idea for a video, but don't have time, skills, or resources to bring it to life. That's where AI comes into play. With advancement in technology, artificial intelligence is now being used to automate the process of video editing and production. From generating automated highlight reels to automatically selecting the best angles and shots, AI algorithms are revolutionizing the way videos are created. It can analyze and understand the context, emotion, and even facial expressions in footage, allowing it to make intelligent decisions on how to piece together a narrative. This not only saves time but also makes video production more accessible to those who might lack technical expertise. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or just someone wanting to create captivating content for your blog, AI in video making has got your back.